Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to replace the iPhone XR front earpiece speaker and proximity sensor. And no worries, all the tools and the parts are in the description below, so make sure you check them out. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification button. That way you don't miss out future videos like this one. And if you have an iPhone XR with a cracked screen or bad battery, there is also two videos in the description below. Make sure you check them out, or check out the end screen and the end of the videos. Thank you. Let's jump right into it and do the repair. Alright everyone, let's go ahead and do this repair together. Get your pentalobe screwdriver ready and remove the two pentalobe screws on the bottom of the iPhone XR, and that way we can go ahead and remove the screen. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and hit the bell notification button. That way you'll get notified every time I release an iPhone repair video. Now get your heat gun if you have one, or get your blow dryer and give the screen some heat. Heat it up all around. That way we can get the adhesive loosened a little bit and we can remove the iPhone XR screen successfully. In this video, like I said, we're going to change the earpiece and the proximity sensor of the iPhone XR. So be patient, have some faith in yourself, keep going, keep pushing it. I know you can do it. I'm here with you to support you to do it all the way. Get your pry tool, plastic pry tool or a metal pry tool, and all the parts and the tools in the description below. So if you don't know what tools you need, what parts you need, if your earpiece speaker giving you static, or if you can't hear good, or if the sound is very low, this tutorial for you. Check out the tools, check out the parts, everything in the description below. Go ahead and remove and lift your front screen sideways and get prepared to remove the shield that's holding the earpiece and the earpiece speaker for the iPhone XR. Over here you want to use your Y-shaped screwdriver 0.6. there is many screws you want to take off out of the shield. That way you can get access to the earpiece speaker cable. You gotta remove it and remove the rest of the screws out of the iPhone XR screen so we can replace the front earpiece speaker. Keep watching, enjoy the music, and this is it. Good job guys. If you have made it this far and you're getting value out of this video, please give it a like, and let's go ahead and continue the repair together. Go ahead and remove your battery shield and remove your iPhone XR LCD ribbon cable. That way we can remove everything safely, and make sure you disconnect your battery cable like I'm going to do it over here. Okay, next thing you want to do, you want to take out the earpiece speaker out of the LCD screen. But first you want to heat up the screen from the first, because there is a small piece of adhesive that's holding the earpiece speaker to the iPhone XR screen. Heat it up, take your time, don't push too much heat, just do a little bit and go ahead and flip the screen over and take out the rest of the part. Do it very slowly, do it very gently, that way you can take it out safely and we can put the new piece back in there. Now, after you remove the old piece out of your iPhone XR screen, look at it, look at the place where the speaker sits. If there is any dust, brush it off. If you got an air can, use that and blow the dust away. If you don't got a small brush, use a toothbrush, old one that you don't use anymore. Just use it, clean that place up, and put the new parts back in there. Good job, guys. I'm so proud of you so far that you made it this far. Keep watching, you can do it, and let's do the repair together. Alright, so this is a very important step. I thought I can come back and talk to you guys about it a little bit. When you put your ribbon cable back in there, push it gently and you should hear a click when you put it back in there. You can use your tweezer, you can use your fingers, just push it in slowly and everything should go back in there. Put the rest of the shields, put the rest of the screws, and you guys are doing a great job. I'm proud of you, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Share this video with someone that you know that need to replace iPhone XR earpiece speaker or proximity sensor. Thank you for watching and keep watching. This is it, guys. Keep watching till the end. When you put your screen, put it in an angle. Put the front part in the angle first and then start pushing it from the bottom. Put your 2 pentalobe screws and use your screwdriver. Just to remind you guys, this is a playlist. Once this video is finished, it's gonna jump to another 2 videos. It's either the iPhone XR battery replacement or iPhone XR screen replacement, or you can just click to any one of them that you see on the screen right now and enjoy watching changing your battery or your screen. And thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.